Introducing XTAR's latest innovations, the PB2SL, the 21700 5000 mAh battery, and XTAR L4 charger. This dynamic lineup showcases cutting-edge technology, delivering powerful charging solutions and high-performance batteries, setting a new standard in reliability and efficiency. Starting with the XTAR PB2SL, a lithium-ion battery charger available in all black and blue, black. This versatile device serves as both a battery charger and a power bank, accommodating protected 21,700 and rechargeable 18,650 batteries. The PB2SL is fast and smart, utilizing QC 3.0 plus PD 3.0 dual protocol fast charging for swift and efficient charging. It can charge two 18650-3500 mAh batteries in just 2 hours, with a secure rotary buckle to hold batteries in place. The power bank function is user-friendly, offering adjustable output and real-time information on the digital display. It's lightweight and comes with a magnetic lid compartment, weighing 86 grams without batteries. Moving to the XTAR L4, a smart and efficient battery charger for AA/AAA batteries. This charger is adaptable for 1.5 volts Li-ion and 1.2 volts NiMH batteries, supporting PD/QC adapters for various devices. With 4 0.5A charging bays, the L4 charger ensures optimal efficiency and safety. Its hollow-out design facilitates heat dissipation, and it's compatible with major PD/QC adapters. Despite lacking some features compared to BC4, the L4 charger stands out with a hollow design. It caters to RR/AAA NiV batteries and most 1.5 volts lithium batteries, weighing 48 grams without batteries. Lastly, the XTAR 21700, a rechargeable 5000 mAh Li-ion battery designed for vapes and high-powered torches. Operating as a protected 21700 battery with a voltage of 3.6, it integrates a protective circuit against overcharging, over-discharging, and short circuits. The button-top design ensures easy insertion and removal, supporting a continuous discharge of up to 10A, crucial for applications like flashlights. The 21,700 Indian rupees -50E model indicates a nominal capacity of 5,000 mAh, lithium nickel manganese cobalt oxide (INR) chemistry, with dimensions of 21 mm in diameter by 70 mm in length. In essence, XTAR's latest offerings provide a comprehensive solution for charging and battery needs, blending innovation, efficiency, and reliability into a powerful lineup.